Most people spend their entire lives chasing a number in a bank account, oblivious to the fact that they are already going bankrupt. In the world of finance, a company can have millions in revenue and still be insolvent because its structure is rotten. You are no different. If you only focus on your bank balance while your other assets are depreciating, you aren't building wealth. You're managing a slow-motion crash. Welcome to the human balance sheet. Today, we are auditing the 6 invisible asset classes that the 1% use to build unshakable lives. If you master these, you become antifragile. If you ignore them, no amount of money will save you. Let's start with the most obvious: financial capital. This is your savings, your investments, and your property. It is the most visible asset class, and for most, it's the only one they recognize. But here is the institutional truth. Financial capital is a lagging indicator. It is the result of how you manage the other 5 assets. It compounds through return and reinvestment, providing the floor for your lifestyle. However, in our framework, financial capital is the foundation, but it is never the whole building. If this is your only asset, you are one market correction away from total irrelevance. Next is skills capital. Unlike money, skills capital cannot be inflated away, stolen, or lost in a market crash. This is the knowledge and capability that generates options. The secret to compounding this asset is skill stacking. When you combine a deep understanding of banking with the ability to communicate on camera, you create a monopoly of one. You aren't just an employee, you are a proprietary asset. Skills compound through application. The more you use them, the more valuable they become. While financial capital is what you have, skills capital is what you can do. Now we look at the most fragile asset, health capital. This is the physical and mental capacity that every other asset depends on. Think of it as the operating system of your life. Health capital compounds through consistent, boring investment, sleep, nutrition, and movement. But it has a unique property. It depletes rapidly and often irreversibly when neglected. You can spend your health to build financial capital in your 30s, but you cannot buy your health back with that same money in your 60s. A bankrupt body cannot enjoy a solvent bank account. Asset number 4, social capital. This is your network, your relationships, and the trust you've earned. This is one of the slowest assets to build, but it is the most powerful at scale. The 1% understand that social capital never compounds through transaction. It only compounds through consistency and genuine generosity. If you only reach out when you need something, you are liquidating this asset. But if you build a reservoir of goodwill, you create a luck surface area that brings opportunities to your door without you ever having to ask. This brings us to the hardest asset to repair, reputational capital. This is what others know you to be when you aren't in the room. In banking, we call this creditworthiness. In life, we call it character. Reputational capital is the slowest to build and the easiest to destroy. However, once established at scale, it generates trust at zero marginal cost. When your reputation is solvent, people say yes before you even finish the pitch. It is the ultimate force multiplier. Your reputation is the disclosure of your internal governance. Finally, the most misunderstood asset, time capital. Unlike every other asset on this balance sheet, time cannot be recovered, refinanced, or earned back. Once a minute is spent, it is gone from the ledger forever. Time capital is the hours you convert into value rather than simply consume. Most people spend their time on liabilities, entertainment, gossip, and ego. The solvent individual deploys their time into the other 5 assets. Time is the multiplier in the life equity equation. How you allocate your next 60 minutes determines the trajectory of the next 10 years. This is your human balance sheet: financial, skills, health, social, reputational, and time. If you are feeling stuck, it's likely because you are over-indexed in one area while being bankrupt in another. You cannot solve a health crisis with a skill, and you cannot solve a reputation crisis with money. It's time for a silent audit. Look at these 6 columns. Where are you leaking? Where are you depreciating? Success isn't about the size of your paycheck. It's about the solvency of your structure. Stop building a resume. Start building a balance sheet. Subscribe to master the architecture of a solvent life. We'll see you in the next audit.